What's the most common issue or part that fails?
I'm not sure that there's a most common failed part. A lot of times we'll get called to a system without that annual maintenance and without doing that nozzle filter strainer on an oil burner system and doing that brushing back and inspecting the safeties. We find that leads to one of our more common after-hours calls.
How do I know when I should service my equipment?
Where we live in the country, we abuse our heating equipment basically as much as it can be. Just having somebody get eyes on it, even if that's all it is, a trained eye is going to be able to pick out things that may prevent you from having a service call through a heating season.
Is a service plan worth it if my equipment is fairly new?
I would say yes. A service plan is like having your insurance on your car or your house.
One of the major benefits is you get your annual cleaning covered at 100% regardless of the service plan that you have. The cost of that annual service that's performed will essentially cover the cost of the plan for the year.
Whether it's an older system or a newer system, the components, there's no accounting for mechanical failure.
For the propane side, one of the benefits of the service plan is your basic common parts are your flame rods and igniters, and those can range from anywhere from $50 to $100. And those are basic wear and tear parts, sometimes replaced yearly, sometimes replaced 2 to 4 years. The combustion blowers and gas valves, which are anywhere from $300 to $800, are also covered. Those have typically a 5 to 7 year lifespan. In the world of oil, we have many components, circulators, pumps, controls, primaries. Everything today costs about $100 to $250 as an average rough. So the value of your service plan is almost made up in one service call.